What's going on, everyone? My name is Jeff, and Canopy Growth is up about 3% today after their earnings report. And so far, guys, we are seeing some definite revenue growth in the marijuana industry. There was a lot of positivity to pull out of ACB's earnings report the other day, and now Canopy Growth has shown that the markets are increasing quite a bit. This is what we all kind of expected. And I think it just kind of feels good to get that confirmation and see some of these earnings come in. You know, it's starting to pay off, or it feels like it's paying off to be invested in the MJ sector. But guys, if this is your first time tuning in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any content or update videos. And drop a like on this video, guys. I really appreciate any and all support we get here on the channel. So over the past week, guys, I have probably got this one question more times than just about anything else from subscribers and other people, is which stock should I own? Should I own Canopy Growth or should I own Aurora Cannabis, okay? And so my response to that is always, I want you to own both. I want you to have a position in both Aurora and Canopy Growth. They're both great companies, and the more diversified you are, I think the better off you're going to play the industry. You know, the same with even Cron and Tilray, Afria, and you could even throw New Age Beverage into that conversation. But keep in mind, guys, still, I think the safest way to play this industry and own all of these stocks under one ETF is ticker symbol MJ, okay? I do have a big holding in MJ, guys. It has grown so well since the market has recovered. And of course, as you all know, I do have a position in my M1 Finance portfolio that I manage here on the channel. And so right over here, guys, this is MJ's holding and their asset class, okay? So, you know, you're going to get 10% exposure to Canopy Growth, 9% at Kronos, you know, Tilray at 8%, Aurora at 7.3%, you know, GW Pharmaceuticals around 6%. Then you're also going to get quite a bit of exposure to some of these smaller companies like CanTrust, Hexo, Emerald Health Therapeutics, the Green Organic Dutchman, and Oxley Cannabis, okay? Keep in mind, you know, if you want to simplify a bit and maybe not try to manage all of these different positions, you know, just consider taking a position in MJ, and that might simplify your problem a lot. This ETF also pays a dividend, guys, and it trades up very, very well. And keep in mind, too, as the market pulled back, this ETF did not get hit nearly as hard as all the individual stocks did. So the thing, I guess the real attractive thing about owning this ETF is you're far more protected from the downside risk. So Canopy Growth, they missed by 13 cents and they beat on revenue, okay? So their quarter 3 GAAP EPS of minus 38 cents, they missed by 13 cents. We're not going to worry too much about these earnings reports. Like I said, it is well known these companies are still very fundamentally overvalued. You know, the only thing I'm really looking at in any of these earnings reports is the revenue numbers. And the revenue of C83 million actually beat by $1.21 million. That's a 283% year-over-year growth. So outstanding. Canopy and Aurora both are crushing it on revenue. So of course, like I just mentioned, they're up. Their revenues are up 283% year over year. They had a $157 million operating loss with a net income of $67.6 million, okay? Again, too, guys, I would not be too concerned about the losses they're taking right now because these companies are growing very, very quickly. There's going to be a lot of changes, and as they transition into a more profitable type of company, these losses will drop. It's just the patience of being an investor. Give it time. Let the process run its course. These stocks will become better fundamentally over the course of time. Now, this really impressed me right here, guys. Their kilograms, or the equivalence of the cannabis sold, was 10,102 kilograms, a 334% increase. Their average selling price was $7.33. And their kilograms harvested was 7,556. So a very, very good earnings report for Canopy Growth, guys. Like I said, the stock has traded up nicely today. MJ is up nicely today. I think ACB and Tilray are trading kind of flat, not seeing a whole lot of movement. But all in all, this round of earnings has been outstanding for the marijuana industry so far. And it really feels like we're getting a nice solid ground under us from an investing standpoint, okay? And this is only going to grow. These companies are only going to get stronger from here. Now, that's all I got for today's video, guys. Make sure to drop a comment. Tell me if you're invested in Canopy Growth. I'm thinking about making a video similar to the Kronos video the other day, where I do like a 1-year price prediction on Canopy Growth and Aurora. So drop a comment. Let me know if you'd like to see that. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and have an awesome day.